Imagine this. Your customers are scrolling right now, credit cards in hand, ready to buy. But your business? It's invisible, lost in the noise. While your competitors rake in sales with sleek, fast-loading websites, you're stuck with outdated tools, sky-high freelancer fees, or worse, no online store at all. But what if I told you $99 could change everything? For less than the price of a fancy dinner, we'll build you a jaw-dropping, mobile-ready, SEO-optimized e-commerce website that goes live in 24 hours. Picture this, your product shining under virtual spotlights, secure checkout buttons begging to be clicked, and sales notifications buzzing on your phone at 3 a.m. because your store never clocks out. This isn't a dream. James, a baker from Texas, doubled her sales in 2 weeks. Mike, a gym trainer, quit his job after his protein powder site went viral. And right now, you're one click away from joining them. We'll tweak it until you're obsessed. This is your moment. Your $99 ticket to freedom. Your chance to stop losing sales and start banking them. The link is right there. Click it. Claim your spot. And let's make your business the one everyone's talking about before this offer vanishes. Like yesterday's trending reel. Go. Now. Or regret it forever. $99. One click. Let's make your first $1,000 this week.